In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import STL files to Onshape. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cat.onshape.com and then log into your account. Now once from here, you're logged into your account and it should look something like this. Now from here, it's time to import the STL file, and to do that you'll simply need to go up to this blue icon called Create, and then from here you'll need to go down to Import Files. Once from here, you'll be able to find your STL file, and once you've found it, you'll simply need to click Open, like so. And then from here, you'll be able to see the Import to Onshape, where you can click whether or not you want to orient imported models with y-axis up or create a composite part when importing multiple non-solid bodies. You can also change the units from inch to any of these other ones if you want to do that, but from here, you'll simply need to click Import. Now from here, you'll be able to find it inside of recently opened or owned by me, like so. And as you can see, the STL file will be open right here. Now you can just double click on it, and then the STL file will be opening up inside of Onshape. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!